If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced...
Hello, you are welcome once again. The name still remains Gbop Tech TV. Today we are going to learn a different way of making money online. As every day that we are expecting that we should make money from our internet. Now technology become the best as whole. Guys, if you're in Ghana, please stay tuned to this. Watch all my videos, take the reactions, and be earning your small. Before a month, you earn huge. You don't give a small money chance because money counted from lowest to up. You can't just make money huge without having small money. So for us not to waste time, we have to jump into this. But before that, if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, move it to all. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be notified that a video is uploaded. If you know you are an old member, please like, share, comment. And I really like your comment a lot. And if this video is helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and share it as well. So for us not to waste time, let's just jump into this video. Now, to get this link, check in the description. There is a link there. Now just tap on the link as I'm to do. Now when you tap on the link in the description, it will take you to this place. For your own, it will just take you to the registration form. It's just normal as registering with your phone number, your email, and your password. And the referral code will be there as well. Boom, you are good to go. So now when you finish registering, they are going to give you coins that you are going to use to toss and exchange it to money 8 times. So when you finish creating, these are plenty games that you can play to earn money, but we say we want to earn the money free, so we are not going to recharge. We are here to make free money. So at your right hand side, see there is a spin one, and just tap on that spin. As you registered first, they'll give you 10,000 coins, and 1,000 coins are used for a spin. So you use those coins to spin and you earn money. The money is even up to 1,000. So if you're lucky and you earn the 1,001, boom, you are good to go. So that money will be yours. You will draw, so you can win up to 1,000 even a day. And there are many tricks in this that you can use to earn more. So stay tuned to this video till the end. So this is how it is. So when you spin and your earnings are in, now when you earn 1 cedi or 2 cedi, don't worry. You see in the interface we have penalty shootout. That is where we are going to huge this. That is where we are going to make this huge amount of money. So just type on the demo. Don't use play. Use tap on the demo for you to practice, to see whether this I'm going to show you is really working. So just tap on the demo, which is going to give you a free coins for you to use to do practical. When you master in this, you use the money you earn from your spin to earn more. You can lose, you can win. So know how you stick this. When you lose one, try to get it double. So just stay tuned. Don't skip this video and get all these tips. So now they are showing you how you're going to choose your game and how you're going to bet. So just tap on screen and follow me because I'm going to teach you. Pick any of these things and pick settle down and tap on confirm. Now tap on play. In the demo they are going to give you 100 coins for you to use on practical. Now look at this box. Which one is more? Those at the keeper side. Which one is more? They are all rolling. So when you finish, let the something stand and let the keeper stand. Let it go on. Now just tap at any of the places and tap on the ball. So let me see. I'm not going to score. Tap at the right hand side. The keeper catch it. Now that the keeper catch it, do you know how I'm going to do again? Tap there again. He's going to lose. So now that you tap there, increase your money. You lose 100 coins. Now, if it is the money, when you type here, it will move to where you can put money to get money. Now that the keeper has the ball there, you lose his account, so double the money you are using to stake to regain your coins back. So type at that same place and play the ball. The keeper catch it again. You said, why are you losing? Don't worry. Start play. Double that same money. Again, tap at that place and play. Have you won? No, the money you get. Now that you play here, don't play the game. Play at the right hand side. You score the goalkeeper. Now you win this thing. Collect the cash. The money we lose and what we get are not the same. You see our money increase. It increased to 1,084. So that's how this is going to work. So I said it's free, but if you want to earn more, the money you're going to earn from the spin, you may know notified. But if you earn like 1 cedi, the minimum stake is 1 cedi. So when you go on this, you don't get the first winning easy. When you score the first goal, don't accept. When you score the first goal, don't accept. I'm telling you something here. So what you need to do is just go to the recharge and recharge only 10 cedi and come and do this. You will make money. Now let's go back. Now, how do we withdraw? Down there is a withdraw button. Just tap on this withdrawal. And the minimum withdrawal is 5 cedi. You fill in your withdrawal, your withdrawal things and just submit. It's fast as mobile money. For this one, it's just fast as mobile money. As you withdraw, it will come. As you recharge, so just like you're withdrawing from your mobile money account. When you want to deposit, so you go to deposit. The minimum deposit is also 5 cedi. So home, we have a promotion here. I'm going to show you this promo. This promo here, the second one, sign in and get coins. So in every day when you sign in, you get a coins. So in the 7th day, you get a bunch of what? Coins. So that's the mysterious what gift. It can either be money. So you go back and tap on the first one. Now, this is the good one. You already have 90%. The remaining one left for you is just for you to get more audience for you, and the time reading is the hours you are going to use. So if this hours reach, your own has expired. So just tap on invite friend and share it to your WhatsApp or After the WhatsApp, you can copy it to any of your social media platform and get more audience and earn this 270 cedi. Thank you. If you know this video is helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. Put your comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy if you hit me up. Thank you, and always stay tuned to this channel and watch our videos.